What if your videos could speak every language, using your own voice? Today, I'll show you how to dub any video into multiple languages in just a couple of clicks, keeping your tone, emotion, and voice using ElevenLabs. Esta es una prueba rápida de voz para escuchar cómo suena en diferentes idiomas. Quiero ver si mantiene el mismo tono, emoción y fluidez natural. Eso es lo que hace que una experiencia de doblaje sea excelente. Ceci est un test vocal rapide pour entendre comment cela sonne dans différentes langues. Je veux voir si cela garde le même ton, la même émotion et la même fluidité naturelle. C'est ce qui rend une expérience de doublage exceptionnelle.
这是一个快速的语音测试，用来听听它在不同语言中的效果。我想看看它是否能保持相同的语调、情感和自然流畅度。这才是一次出色配音体验的。
When you create content, you're often limited to one language. That means millions of people can't understand your videos. Subtitles help, but they miss the tone and emotion. And translating your content manually is expensive, time-consuming, and nearly impossible if you have hundreds of videos. But with ElevenLabs, you can instantly dub your videos into 29 languages while keeping your original voice and personality. It even recognizes multiple speakers in the same video automatically. If you want to try it as we go, you'll find the link at the top of the description. There's a free plan to start.
Let's see how it works. I have a YouTube interview recorded in English. It's a single person speaking. I'll open ElevenLabs Dubbing Studio. Create new dub, name it John Interview, set the source to English, and choose the target language, French. You can also paste a YouTube link so ElevenLabs fetches the video automatically. Speakers. This is just one speaker, so I'll select one. Voice cloning. On. This keeps the same tone and emotion. Now click Create Dub, and in under 2 minutes, we're done. I now have the French dub ready. Hear the natural pauses, breathing, and rhythm.
Et il y avait un mini-sous-marin, et il y avait un nageur de combat qui nageait vers le mini-sous-marin. Et j'étais comme, elle a dit, qu'est-ce que tu veux faire si tu réussis à entrer et à devenir un Royal Marine? Et j'ai répondu, je veux ça.
It sounds like a real human translation. I can download the dubbed video or export just the French audio track. On YouTube, you can attach additional language audio tracks so viewers around the world can switch languages from the audio track menu, just like you see on some MrBeast videos. It's a powerful way to reach a wider global audience without re-uploading separate versions. Translate your titles and descriptions too. One video, multiple languages. More reach, more opportunity. To get started, click the first link in the description and try ElevenLabs for free today. Questions? Drop them in the comments. I read them all. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow creator. This is Profit Studio, where smart tools meet real results. Before you go, check out these next videos. One shows how to turn text into ultra-realistic voiceovers, and the other reveals how to create full videos using the latest AI tools for creators. See you in the next one.